today, but I have something I just needed to share with my garden family this morning. And you guys know, if you've been following me for a while, that I have had a struggle with growing cabbage. I have tried it in the spring, summer, but that little white butterfly, she hit me hard and she was relentless regardless of what I did. I could never get a cabbage. But you know what? Let's raise the roof, baby, because I got a cabbage. Now, I planted this cabbage plant last fall because I said I don't think them little white butterflies come out in the fall, so we gonna drop a cabbage plant in the ground in the fall, and we gonna see what it do. Well, I went out there the other day and I said, well, this cabbage been growing from fall and it is in the heat of the summer, so let's check this bad boy out. So I took all the leaves off of it. There was a whole bunch of damage on that plant because you got to remember, I started it last fall to now in this heat. So I took all the leaves off, like I said, and check out what I got. It may not to be the biggest cabbage, but hey, it's a cabbage, so it is a win-win for Miss Renee. Are you guys wanting to see it? I know you are, so check this out. Ta-da! I got my first cabbage, you guys, my first cabbage. Woohoo! I should have my little streamers waving in there because Miss Renee got her first cabbage. Look at her. Let's take a close-up look. Look at that. That cabbage is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's about as big as the palm of my hand. But you know what? It's still edible. And trust and believe, Miss Renee is going to cook this cabbage up. And I am going to enjoy every single piece of this cabbage. So what I'm going to do with you guys today is that we are going to cut it, see how it looks in the inside. And then when I cook this up, I'll bring you along because I'm going to go out in my garden and we're going to harvest things and see what kind of a meal we can make using this cabbage. Look at this. It's a cabbage, y'all. Look, 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 look. It's a cabbage. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I'm so excited. Ah! I got my first cabbage. Woohoo! I got to figure out a good dinner to incorporate this cabbage with. Because, I mean, it's hard. It's firm, and look, it looks like a cabbage. I know you guys say, Renee, it's just a cabbage, but y'all don't feel the enjoyment, the excitement that I have because I finally got a cabbage. Oh, this white butterfly didn't get this one. So I think next fall, oh yeah, I'm going to grow some for seeds. So I got to get my seeds rolling so I can have my cabbage starch ready to go. And I think I'm going to put in one of my red raised beds that my husband built for me. And that is going to be dedicated to strictly for cabbage. If I can get one and it's this size, can you imagine if I can get one that's a full head? So I think I could probably get 3 in that that raised bed. So yes, that's what Miss Renee is going to do. Oh, I'm going to be growing me some cabbages, y'all. So happy. Y'all just don't know. All right, let's get ready to cut this bad boy open so you guys can see exactly what it looks like in the inside. All right, are you ready? Come on. Let's cut into this cabbage. Look at that. So pretty. Woohoo! And I didn't even have to go to the store. I grew this myself outside in my backyard grocery store. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's get to cutting this beautiful cabbage. All right, so you ready to cut into this cabbage? All right, let's cut this stem part off. I can't believe my own cabbage. All right, let's cut it this way. All right, Hopefully it looks good on the inside as well as it looks good on the outside. Look. Look at that. And I soaked it overnight in some vinegar and some salt. But look at it. Beautiful. Beautiful, you guys. So let's cut this up. Get all these other ones off that. Alright, let's chop it and see what we got. Looks so good. Alright. I'm going to put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm going to wash it again. I got my bowl over there. We're going to make sure that this bad boy is ready. Alright, here's my bowl. Got my bowl right here. And we're going to put this cabbage in this bowl. And I'm going to soak it again, like I said, and make sure that nothing is creeping and crawling in here. But I don't see anything, which is good. Let's cut this one up. Probably make a little bit of a pot of cabbage, but like I said, Miss Renee gonna eat every piece of this cabbage. Every piece of this cabbage. Because it took me so long to grow this that I'm not wasting any part of this cabbage. Alright, so there it is, you guys. Look at that. All fluffy and looking good. I always take the hard parts out. And I put that in like a stir fry. But yep, this is my cabbage growing right in my backyard. Looking good, isn't that? Look at this. Take a close-up look at it. Look at that. Cabbage. Beautiful. Alright, I'm going to put the rest of it in this bowl. Get it soaking. And we are going to get to cooking it. Like I said, I don't know what kind of dinner I'm going to make. But regardless of what it is, I am going to enjoy this cabbage. So now I know to plant my cabbage in the fall. A bowl full of goodness, you guys. Goodness. Woohoo! Alright, hang tough. Guys, so I have my bowl of cabbage. I am so excited that I wanted to make sure that I shared this great harvest of my first cabbage with my gardening family. I couldn't do this without you guys. No way. This is too important not to share. All right, guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you're having a blessed day. And when I cook up this cabbage, I'll come back and let you guys see exactly how Miss Renee puts her stamp of flavor on this cabbage and let you see what else I incorporated with this meal. All right, guys, first cabbage. Check that box. Woohoo! All right, guys, love you much, and get out there and grow something healthy for yourself and for your friends. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye. I'll leave you with a look at my cabbage.